Trust Bank has risen to become the fourth largest retail bank by numbers of customers in Singapore, with 1 million sign-ups. But with digital banks still aiming to be profitable, market watchers are cautiously optimistic about their future. Nicolas Ng with more.
You won't find a physical outlet for this bank. It's a digital one, which means operations are only conducted online. Trust Bank, backed by Standard Chartered and FairPrice Group, saw deposits doubling last year to $3.8 billion from 2023. It says the business model has given it a competitive edge in Singapore's finance industry.
Our technology stack has been built up over the last 4 years, so we have no legacy. And as a result, many of our back-end processes are fully automated, which it will not be for a legacy organization. It also helps you to keep your costs very, very sustainable. So we believe that this will be a long-term sustainable advantage for us.
For another digital bank set up by tech giant Grab and telco Singtel, it recorded some 1.6 billion Singapore dollars in deposits across Singapore and Malaysia at the end of last year. With over 3 million customers in these markets, GXS has also soft-launched its business banking services for sole proprietorships and micro firms.
They want to make sure that they have enough cash flow to sustain their businesses in good times as well as bad times. With the innovation and the embedded experiences, they can save a lot of time, effort, and money when they're interacting with digital banks vis-a-vis queuing up in, say, a traditional bank branch.
But none of the 3 digital banks in Singapore have turned a profit. The third player, Marie Bank, owned by e-commerce platform Shopee, told CNA its measured growth means it has recorded smaller losses, while profitability remains a near-term goal. Despite their optimism, one market watcher cautions that there is only so far these banks can grow in Singapore.
I'm sure that their deposit base, their customer base could grow. But then again, it's pretty much capped, at least in Singapore, where there's a limited population and it's so saturated, where almost every individual here in Singapore has a bank already with an incumbent bank. So I feel that growth is capped at a certain number. So that is pretty stagnant.
He notes that incumbent players continue to be the primary bank for most Singaporeans, and that these digital banks will have to set their sights overseas to continue growing.